Good morning, dear student. Today we are reading uh, present perfect continuous tense. This tense is used to describe an action that began in the past, is still continuing, and may extend into the future time. It is often used with the verb which have the meaning of prolonged action. For example, uh, ran, teach, fly, live, read, sleep, stay, study, write, etc. These verbs are used in present perfect continuous tense. Since and for are used in this tense following the time indicator. Since is used to express a point of time in the past and till now. Example: since morning, since Sunday, since 2002, since 2 o'clock, etc. For is used with a period of time. It denotes a length of time till now. Dear student, for 2 hours, for many days, for year, for 2 weeks, etc. Pattern subject has have plus been present participle of the verb v1 plus ing since for time. Example: she has been watching TV for 2 hours. We have been working here since 3 o'clock. Dear students, some rules are given here. Helping verb has been is used with third person singular. He, she, it, and name or thing. While we have been is used with plural subjects, we, they, you, names, and first person singular I. Rule number 2. Negative sentences not is used between has, have, and been. Example: he has not been living in this house for 2 years. Rule number 3. Rule number 3. In interrogative sentence, has, have is used before the subject and been. After the subject, mark of interrogation is placed at the end of the sentence. Example: have you been learning your lesson for 2 hours? Dear student, the usage of present perfect continuous tense. Dear student, to denote an action which began in the past time and still continuing. The use of since for all with time is essential here. If time is not mentioned, the sentence will show present continuous tense. It is raining. Here, the time is not mentioned. It shows present continuous tense. It has been raining since morning. In this sentence, time is mentioned, so it shows present perfect continuous tense. Rule number 2. The present continuous tense form denote the continuity of an action, while the present perfect continuous tense indicate the continuity of an action which began at some times the past. I am reading, present continuous. I have been reading, present perfect continuous. Don't laugh, I am standing. Look, somebody is sitting on the road. These are in present continuous. I have been standing now. I have been standing, so I am sitting now. Somebody has sitting on the road for 2 hours. Dear student, rule number 3. Present perfect tense form emphasize the completion of the action, while the present perfect continuous tense shows that the action is in progress and will continue in the future. Major difference and some examples are given here. Present perfect tense: the bicycle is okay now. I have repaired it. This man has sold all the toys. I have drawn the picture. And present perfect continuous: my hands are dirty. I have been repairing my bicycle. Have been repairing is used, so, it shows present perfect continuous tense. This man has been selling the toys for 3 hours. For 3 hours is used, which shows present perfect continuous tense. I have been drawing the picture all day. All plus time is used. For plus period of time is used. Dear student, write it in your notebook. Thank you.